Alright everybody, it's Joe Anderson with Grand Rapids RV Motorhomes to go by Terrytown. Standing outside the 2018 Showhauler. This thing's built on a four-wheel drive M2 chassis, 350 horsepower. Listen to it rumble. This thing's a beast. Check out these tires. This thing is built to go anywhere. It's got the quad cab. Power awning. It does have two air conditioners, has the satellite up top. Built to match with the spare tire on the back. This thing is actually has a winch on it to get this spare tire up and down. 20,000 pound towing capacity. You can haul that stacker trailer anywhere you want to go on this one. It's got the backup camera. Look at this color. It's got the kind of military look, military colors. Again, it's a four-wheel drive, 350 horsepower. It's a Freightliner M2 chassis. This unit is like new. It only has 8,200 miles on it. It has the bench seat here in the back seat, but it does also come with the two bucket seats that you can easily change out. Has the CB radio up here. Custom front grille. This is an absolute beast. I mean, you can pull your race car trailer, you can pull those sand rails to the dunes. You do anything with this, go anywhere. Take it off-roading, four-wheel drive, you're not gonna get stuck. All right, let's jump up inside of it. It's a little bit quieter, get past that diesel rumble. Got the Dream Dinette here, turns into a bed. Overhead bunk systems, two TVs. Sofa area that turns into a bed, so you can sleep a lot of people in this. Plenty of living area and a ton of storage. If you got to store your racing gear or whatever, you have the room to do it in here. It's got two air conditioners, big refrigerator, nice large bathroom back here with a ton of storage and a shower. Thanks for checking out the Showhauler. This thing's an absolute beast. Like it, share it, show the world about this unit. Call or text me anytime, 616-375-0938.